Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to unbox a Meesho product today. So let's get into that without wasting time further. The product is safe inside, covered with some bubble wraps and papers. This is the product inside this pack. It is a cleansing milk and a toner. This is rose water toner. So let's open the wrap and check inside. It's a cleansing milk from Luster. I got papaya. It's a cleansing milk which is of 600 ml. It is also mentioned that its rate is about 299, but I got it as a combo for just 225 rupees. And it also given in the package that it removes all the blemishes and other kind of things from the skin. See, it removes dead skin cells, keep your skin hydrated, reduce pimples, make it smooth. It's a good exfoliator like that. I don't know, I didn't used it yet, but I think it will be a good product, and it is really worth buying because it is 600 ml, and it is also mentioned that its rate is of 299, but I got both this cleansing milk and this toner for just 225 rupees. So it is really a good option for you guys, so you can really go for it. We all know that cleansing is much important for your face when we go out and come back, and also it cleanses all our pore and removes all the cosmetics out of our face. So cleansing is an important step that we have to follow every day. If you are looking for a good cleanser, you can go with that because it is really affordable, so that you can get both the cleanser and toner along with that. It's really a good good package that you can make use of it. And this is a toner. This is the toner. This is a rose water toner from the same brand, Luster. It is given in the package that you should be storing it in a room temperature. It is sulfate free and paraben free. And the rate of this cleansing, this toner is 165, and its net weight is 225 ml. it is really a huge, really huge in size, so it's worth buying. You can buy both the cleanser milk and the toner together at just 225 rupees. Really Meesho is offering such a good things, because as compared to other sites, if you buy the toner or cleanser alone, it costs 250 to 300, but you can get both of the cleansing milk and the toner for just 225. So it's really worth buying, and delivery is also free. I got these two for just 225 rupees. I think you are able to see the size of both. It's really big and it's worth buying. I will open this package which is sealed and show you how the texture of the cleansing milk and toner is. I have removed the sealing of both the toner and the cleansing milk. So let's check out how the texture of the cleansing milk and toner is. Okay. This is how it looks. It's a creamy kind of texture. It has a light orange color. It's really soft and creamy. It has a kind of smell like Clinic Plus shampoo. It's really soft as you apply on your hands and fingers. It also contains a kind of oil-like texture, like the texture of Nivea cream. You may know that. This is how the texture is. It's really soft and creamy. It gives a kind of shiny texture to your hands or wherever you apply. You should cleanse your face and then wash it off with water. It has a fruity kind of smell. So let's now check how the toner is. Hope it will have the smell of rose. I am shaking the toner first and then gonna spray it into my hand so that you will see how it is. At the moment when I sprayed, I feel a kind of sensation like a cold sensation on my hand, like applying some kind of alcohol. Like you may know that the feeling when you apply some remover to your nails, you will feel a kind of sensation on your hand like alcoholic or spirit, right? That is how the feeling when you apply this toner. As you all know that toner is to maintain the pH of our skin so that it will not get damaged due to basic products like cleanser or some other foam based face washes. Still now I can feel a kind of cool sensation on my hand from the moment when I sprayed this toner. It doesn't has a particular smell at all. It just smells like a little bit of rose. That's it, nothing else. It doesn't has any other kind of heavy or pungent smell. It just has a little mild smell of fragrance of rose. That is what I can sense from this toner. So it's really worth buying products because you are getting both of this for just 225 rupees, because none of the sites can provide this. I won't say that Meesho provides all the products for cheaper rate. I won't say that for film, because there is still some products which are really high as compared to Flipkart and Amazon, but these products are really worth buying because it's from Ayurvedic company. It's not of any other chemicals, harsh chemicals. It doesn't contains any parabens, so you can really go for this because it is really affordable and doesn't contains any parabens. And I didn't felt any kind of bad sensation when I apply to my skin. It's really good, and the smell is also very nice, not that pungent. It's just mild. Even the papaya cleanser is also light, a bit orange in color, and also it doesn't has that kind of very strong fragrance. It's just mild. It's really mild, and it has a kind of shampoo smell. You may know that the fruity smell, the smell or fragrance when you apply the Clinic Plus or any kind of shampoos. It has a fruity kind of smell, and you should really try this if you are a person who need a long lasting toner or cleanser, and also at a affordable rate. You can go for this cleansing milk and toner, and you can't buy all these products for just from Meesho just by installing and getting one product or two product. It is actually a reselling app. You can get it if you are from any resellers, because it's not an online platform like Flipkart or Amazon. It is just a reselling app which provides the platform for housewives and students or some peoples to earn income from that. So you can go through them, or else even if you want to earn a good income sitting at the home and without any targets or anything, you can also install Meesho app from Google Play Store and sell it to your friends, relatives, or any other marketing place, and earn a good income through that, because it doesn't has any target like any other business like Amway or anything. Because it's really good problem, and you can also do all your house chores without any pressure, because it's all in your hand, your own business, isn't it? So this is what buying Luster has a numerous amount of creams and other kind of cosmetics products, which is really Ayurvedic, and it doesn't contains any parabens. So if you are searching for something that is less chemical, it doesn't has chemical, parabens, sulfate, and want to get at an affordable price, you just go for this Luster. It's really worth buying. So this is the video. I am ending the video here. Thank you for watching. I need your support, so keep supporting me. Click on the subscribe button, share my video, and if you have anything to say to me, just write it on the comment section. Sure, I will be responding. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.